Hello Tech Sleuths, you're watching Mystery Curtain, your front row seat to cutting-edge reviews. In this episode, we'll peel back the layers of a brand new device to see what. Every year, Apple's Pro Max series dominates headlines, and the new iPhone 17 Pro Max is no exception. This year's flagship not only refines Apple's design philosophy, but also introduces an eye-catching new color cosmic orange. With upgraded hardware, advanced cameras, and powerful performance. Courtesy of the A19 Pro chip, the iPhone 17 Pro Max sets a new benchmark for premium smartphones. Unboxing and first impressions. Apple maintains its signature minimalism with the iPhone 17 Pro Max packaging. The white box features a realistic image of the device's back panel, instantly recognizable to anyone familiar with the brand's clean design aesthetic. Inside, accessories are kept simple: a USB-C to USB-C charging cable and the usual paperwork, with Apple once again focusing attention solely on the phone itself. Bold new design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max makes a strong impression with its size and striking new color. Measuring 163.4 x 78 by 8.8 mm and weighing 233 grams. It is the largest and heaviest model in Apple's 2025 lineup. The cosmic orange finish immediately stands out, offering a warm, vivid look that feels both bold and premium. Despite its weight, the phone feels solid and reassuring in the hand. Apple has shifted away from titanium this year, opting instead for a unibody aluminum frame. This choice not only enhances structural durability but also improves thermal management, ensuring the device stays cooler during intensive tasks. The rear panel is divided into two sections. The top is dominated by a horizontal camera bar housing the upgraded triple lens system, while the lower half features ceramic shield glass. This design supports MagSafe accessories and gives the phone a futuristic two-tone appearance. The familiar button layout remains: volume controls, SIM tray, and action button on the left, with the power button and camera control key on the right. At the bottom are the speaker, microphone, and USB-C port. Notably, Apple has integrated a vapor chamber cooling system for improved heat dissipation, especially useful during gaming or extended video recording. Display excellence. The iPhone 17 Pro Max boasts a massive 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1320 by 2868 pixels. Its ultra-thin bezels and dynamic island cutout create a seamless, modern front design. The screen supports ProMotion technology, with an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring buttery smooth interactions while saving power during static tasks. Brightness reaches an astonishing 3000 nits, making the display perfectly usable even under direct sunlight. Whether streaming Netflix or editing photos, the visuals are vibrant, sharp, and immersive. Upgraded camera system. Photography takes a leap forward with the new triple fusion camera array. The setup includes a 48-megapixels f1.6 wide lens with dual-pixel PDAF and sensor shift OIS, a 48-megapixels f2.8 telephoto lens with PDAF, 3D OIS, and 4x optical zoom, a 48-megapixels f2.2 ultra-wide lens with PDAF. This trio delivers exceptional flexibility, producing sharp, detailed images across a variety of conditions. Each fusion camera intelligently adapts to shooting scenarios, delivering tailored results whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or night scenes. The front camera has also been upgraded to an 18-megapixels f1.9 sensor with PDAF and OIS. It supports center stage, automatically adjusting framing for wider group selfies in both portrait and landscape orientations. For videographers, Apple has raised the bar. The iPhone 17 Pro Max records in 4K at 120 fps, with support for ProRes RAW. This allows for 12-bit color depth and unprecedented editing flexibility, making the phone a powerful tool for professionals. Performance and hardware. At its core, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on the A19 Pro chip. Built on a 3nm process with 10 CPU cores and 6 GPU cores. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, this hardware ensures seamless performance across demanding applications. From 3D gaming to 4K video editing, storage options range from 256 GB all the way up to an enormous 2 TB. Catering to casual users and creative professionals alike, the higher capacity models are particularly appealing for filmmakers and content creators who require substantial local storage.